Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Vanguard Personal Advisor, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Vanguard Personal Advisor, start by visiting the official Vanguard website. Locate the Personal Advisor page. Click on the Login button on the top right corner of the page. If you already have a Vanguard account, enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary personal information. After creating your account, log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Personal Advisor section. Review the information related to the Personal Advisor program. Click on the Get Started button to begin the process. You will be prompted to complete a questionnaire about your financial goals. Fill out the questionnaire thoroughly to help Vanguard understand your needs. After submitting the questionnaire, you'll be matched with a personal advisor. Schedule a meeting with your advisor at a convenient time. During the meeting, discuss your financial objectives and any questions you have. Your advisor will create a personalized financial plan based on your input. After the meeting, you'll have access to your account dashboard. Explore the features available to manage your investments. Familiarize yourself with the tools provided for financial planning. Regularly check back in with your advisor to adjust your plan as needed. Review your financial progress on the dashboard periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.